Hi, and welcome to this short demo video of Tasktop Viz. The Flow Metrics dashboards in Tasktop Viz provide visibility to leadership that is actionable for teams, implementing the Flow framework for shifting from project to product and practicing value stream management in software delivery organizations. This is the Tasktop Viz dashboard for an insurance product value stream called Home Insurance. At a glance, you can see the value stream's flow metrics, their flow velocity or throughput, flow time or time to market, and flow efficiency or process time, all classic value stream metrics. You can also see the value stream's flow load, the WIP across all contributing teams and departments, a leading indicator of future performance. All these metrics are painted in 4 colors, representing 4 flow items that deliver value for the business. Green is for features, new business value from new capabilities. Red is for defects that resolve quality issues. Purple is for debt, investments you make in people, process, or technology to improve flow velocity and flow time of future deliveries. And finally, yellow. Yellow is for risk, work done to mitigate risk to the business, like security patching and compliance work. As the long-term custodians of a product, you want a healthy mix of flow items in your deliveries. Flow distribution shows the distribution of the flow items delivered, helping the value stream set targets that support your priorities. To the left of flow metrics, you'll find the home insurance product's key business results. The value stream exists to achieve these business results, and any change to flow metrics should be designed to impact one of them. Home insurance are tracking key results in each category. In value, things like revenue, policy renewals, and the product North Star of monthly policies sold. In the cost category, they are tracking the annual cost of FTEs and the monthly infrastructure costs. Under quality, they're tracking reconciliation errors and escape defect ratio. And under happiness, they're tracking the NPS scores of employees working in this value stream, as well as the employee turnover rate. Clicking into a business result plots its results side by side with the flow metrics. The climbing monthly infrastructure costs provided the justification for prioritizing debt work in March and April. A timeline event annotates the metrics to mark when the performance improvement initiative began to tackle the rising infrastructure costs and provides commentary and context for the metrics. Flow Modeler. Let's switch to the Fund Analysis product value stream now to look at their Flow Modeler. Flow Modeler is where you can see a visual representation of your end-to-end product value stream. Here is where you can see the workflows for all the contributing work that delivers business value. For example, epics from the Fund Analysis Portfolio project in Jira that deliver features, they span all 4 phases of the value stream, from ideate through create, release, and operate. This epics workflow visualizes how the new features traverse the end-to-end value stream from customer request till customer delivery. Artifact states are color-coded to represent flow states, active in blue and waiting in red, a semantic language explained in the legend on the bottom. Manual steps like design review and compliance review have been added in too. You can drag and drop steps to reflect their sequence correctly. A really powerful feature here is turning on bottlenecks to see exactly where work piles up and slows down. You can see this for features, defect, debt, and risk, identifying the hotspots that warrant further conversations and an action plan. We'll talk more about bottlenecks soon. Modeling your value streams. The flow metrics and the flow modeler are derived from simple point-and-click modeling or configuration done by the product value stream owners themselves. The first step is product modeling, done here under Configure Product. Tasktop Viz is connected to the tools you use to ideate, create, release, and operate your software products. So here you're simply selecting the data subsets from each tool where work gets done for your specific product. In the case of the Fund Analysis value stream, their developers use Jira and work in 2 relevant projects, Alpha Team and NJobs. If needed, they can easily add additional projects like Finance by just adding them to the set. The final step in modeling is mapping the artifacts to flow items and flow states, which you do here under Categorize Artifacts. This is a list of all the artifacts found in the datasets you selected for your product value stream. First, you identify which artifacts truly deliver business value and map them to the relevant flow item, feature, defect, debt, or risk. Then you map the artifact workflow states to one of the 4 flow states: new, waiting, active, or done. In both cases, you can create conditions to further refine your modeling. Like in this example, the done artifact state will only be counted as done if the resolution field is set to fixed or done, excluding resolutions like won't do or someday. Finding bottlenecks. Now that we've seen how flow metrics are generated based on your own flow modeling, let's return to the flow metrics dashboard to find bottlenecks. Let's set the time range to the last 180 days. Measuring the end-to-end value stream helps you identify how fast you're currently going, but also where things are slowing down. It brings IT and the business to the table to identify where it makes sense to prioritize and invest in order to meet those business results. So let's click on Find Bottlenecks. Find Bottlenecks shines a spotlight on parts of your value stream that are moving slower than others, which manifests itself in high artifact counts and long durations in a specific state. The top right of this graph shows you those suspicious areas, so you can discuss them with your peers and figure out if there's an opportunity for improvement here. This can reveal, for example, a painful dependency or an under-resourced team. Roll your mouse over a dot for more details. The table is sorted by default with the artifact states with the highest concurrent artifact counts. For fund analysis, all their to-do states have high artifact counts and relatively long state durations. What's preventing them from getting work out of the to-do state? Is putting work they cannot get to in the to-do state in the first place actually a form of waste? To investigate the issue, you can click on the artifact count for a list of the exact artifacts that are contributing to the data point, and if needed, click the link to open the artifact in the source tool itself. Portfolio View. Portfolio View provides a high-level executive view into flow metrics and business results trends for multiple product value streams at a glance. For example, here, for the home insurance product, you can see their flow metrics trends for the selected time period and click here to show the trend for business results recorded in the same period. Connecting tools. Enterprise tool chains change all the time. Adding a new tool to your value streams is very easy. Under Tool Connections, admins click Add New Tool Connection. Next, select the tool you want to add. You're presented with just a few fields Tasktop needs to connect and read the data from the source tool. Test the connection here to verify it's been successful and save it. That's it. Any value stream using the new tool can model the new data sets in and start seeing those additions reflected in their flow metrics dashboards. I hope you've enjoyed this demo of Tasktop Viz. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for more information.